I'll show you the step-by-step method to borrow from MoneyLion, focusing on how to get up to a $500 Instacash advance completely interest-free, and how to spot their marketplace for larger loans. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. If you only need a small amount to get you to your next payday, your best option is Instacash. It requires no credit check and charges 0% interest. Here's how. Open the MoneyLion app and tap the Instacash tile on the main dashboard. Link your primary checking account securely using pCloud. To qualify, your linked account must show a regular, recurring direct deposit. The app's algorithm looks at your history to determine your initial limit, which scales from $10 up to $500. If you want to unlock up to $1,000, you have to move your direct deposits directly into MoneyLion's native raw money checking account. Once you select your advance amount, pay close attention to the delivery screen. MoneyLion will offer you turbo delivery to get your funds in minutes. However, the turbo fee scales up to $8.99 per disbursement for external accounts. Even worse, Instacash often forces you to withdraw in smaller increments. If you request a $300 advance instantly, those turbo fees apply to each transaction and add up incredibly fast. Select standard delivery. It takes 1 to 5 business days, but it is 100% free. Also, keep an eye out for the optional tip screen at checkout. You can slide that amount down to 0 to keep your advance completely free. Once you select an offer, you'll finish the application directly on that lender's secure site. So, stick to Instacash standard delivery to get interest-free cash for small emergencies, and skip the paid WOW or Credit Builder memberships unless you truly need them. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.